Nothing to filter.
So here we are undoing our line, and then we are going to put it on our pole. And then you want to get the end of it, the hoop, and hook it onto that bit there.
And then you got.
Come on!
Right, okay, well, play it gently.
Come on, Daddy, get the net.
Yeah, no.
It's
Right, where is it?
going out, it's
Okay, yeah. So we'll just play. We've got to play the fish now.
Oh,
Oh, it's gone already. I'm on.
What?
Yep, I'm on. See, look. Get the net, mate.
I just want to watch you.
Yeah, so watch me how I do it as well. See if we get lucky this time.
So you just sit there?
Yeah, look, look at the elastic, look.
Yeah.
So you keep it low. And you gently just play the fish. You don't pull hard, you just gently play the fish. Look at that.
Till it's worn out?
Yeah. See what we've got in a minute. So I'm not pulling tight, I'm not panicking. You've got to do it nice and slowly. Now what I can do is take this bit off here.
Off it?
This bit.
Why are you taking it off?
And then I can make it shorter and make it easier for me. So
Yeah, but I can't do that.
you can? No, you don't have to do it. I can do it on this one. You just do it. See, look, I'm not putting it rough in the air. Look at me. Let's see. Nice and gentle. We'll see. We'll see what it is in a minute.
So that's what I do?
Yeah, that's all you do. Nice and gently.
Reach it.
No, wait till it comes closer. So you've got to let the fish wear out, make it tired. Don't drag it in.
Once it's tired,
And you've got to try and keep him over here. Try and keep it in your swim. You've got to do that.
so that's what I should do?
Yeah. Get ready because it's a nice fish.
Oh look, he's tired.
Yeah. Hold up, not yet. Don't follow him in the net. Keep that over there.
Oh.
Yeah, see, otherwise we make him panic.
Why?
Nice and slowly.
He's a bit tired, isn't
It will be so. And you don't pull hard on the line. If you pull hard on the line, you're going to snap it. Right, ready? Get ready because it's coming.
he? I can't.
Yeah, I'll put him round to you. Don't worry, I'll put him round to you. Come on.
I can do it.
Yeah, I know. I'll put him round to you.
I'm putting him back.
Get the net, babe. Get the net ready. Oh, no, seven, no, not like that, not like that. Not like that. That's what you're doing, mate. Not like that. It's too close. Not ready, right? Right, now side. Come over this side, so you take it. Come over this side, walk over there. Get him in slow. Just get it ready, get it low, scoop. Get ready. When you get a chance, just scoop him up. Got it. Well done. Yes. Well
Can I
done.
put him back in?
Yeah.
Hello. It's a little baby car.
That's our first cut.
It's a baby car. Dad.
That's a small cut. Can you open up that net up for me a bit more?
What mat? This mat.
Yeah. Flatten it up.
Move it, that book.
See? You see how easy that was?
Hello. Oh, my daddy.
Don't worry about that. They're all pro. Do you see what I mean? How easy it is. You just got to be delicate.
Can I untouch you?
Hold that net like that.
Hello, little guy.
So we've got a top lip as well, so it's a very good one. That one. Nice and easy.
I'll
Look
put
at
him
that.
back.
Yep.
Hiya.
See?
I just grab
Straight
him.
to the camera.
I'll
Then
grab
just get close up.
Can he breathe?
Of course. Right, go on, take him. Roll your sleeves up. Roll your sleeves up. And hold him. You might start. If he starts flickering, you've got to control him. Just show the camera quickly and put him back.
Oh.
We'll put him back in the net, and then we won't drop him in the water.
Come here. Come on. This is.
Careful.
This
No,
is fish.
careful. Okay, put him back.
Can I want to put him in.
put him back. Yeah.
I want to put
Yeah,
him
but
in.
get it-
Daddy's
no,
on.
Daddy's
Daddy's on. Daddy, I'm going to fish in a minute of your rod. Daddy has got a fish. Fishy!
Well, we'll get together. If yours goes down, we'll put it in. Yeah, I'm doing a video. Doing a video now. Are you on? Oh, the little bite then. What's that?
If you got on and I got on at the same time,
Well, that.
I could scoop up two fish in the same time.
Now, watch how I do this now. Look.
Yeah.
See, I've got the rod down low,
Yeah.
and I'm not pulling it. I'm not going crazy, am I? I'm letting the fish do the work. I'm just going gently, gently over there because he's gone towards them trees.
They know that you can get tangled in the tree, don't
Yeah.
they? So they want to get you tangled.
So watch what I do though. Look, I'm just doing no rushing, all gentle.
Just gently.
And when I think it's time, I'll start coming up a little bit. And then if you start to pull, watch your elastic. If the elastic goes down, you go down with it. So you're basically playing the fish. So he's going over there now. So look, so now I'm going to bring him back. Now he's gone over there. I'm putting him back over here. And what I'm doing, I'm going to try and bring him in as well. Look, you come back gently like this.
I'll get the wet a little bit wet, Dad.
And then, when I think it's ready, I'm going to take that bit off.
I'm getting the net a bit wet,
Yeah.
so the fish will have to come in. I'm just going to see if I can...
Honey, do you know what this means?
What?
2-0.
No! Can we switch places soon?
It doesn't matter what side you're on, but you can switch if you want to. Right, get that, hold it right up against the top, please, though. That way you can stretch.
He's getting close, Dad.
Yeah. See, I'm not going crazy. Look, so when the electric gets pulled like that, you go down with it gently. Just keep the tension on.
Coming deep, Dad.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a little bit.
Yeah, it doesn't feel too deep. Oh, it's come off.
Oh,
So
that's
that's always a chance. But that would have been number 2,
I
darling.
can scoop up a fish.
No, darling, no.
Why?
Just roll the sleep. The fish will go running off. So you come off me, let go.
So we switch.
Oh, just keep it tight for a minute. Dad's going over there. Right, where's my water?
And by the way, just step on.
Right, so you're going over that side, are you? Right, be careful. Got it. Got fresh bait on, fresh. You like these ones? One of those. Sit comfortable. See if I can get one of these side now. Straighten out.